This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. One-of-a-kind location, protected view from tee to green on Palmer's signature Semiahmoo Golf Course. Safe, quiet and private Gleneagle Villas offer a gorgeous PNW backyard of beauty. Single-story floor plan has great room with cozy corner fireplace open to covered patio. No wasted space in this newer solidly built home. Kitchen with breakfast bar that easily seats a crowd. Spa-like master bath / lots of storage. Private guest suite and den / office with corner windows and great view makes this a perfect work from home option. Well-run association makes living here easy. Semiahmoo perfectly situated between Seattle and Vancouver. A gated neighborhood that offers an exceptional quality of life with miles of walking trails and recreational amenities.